Minista Muviani wa Uiti Aden Duale Niwaweta kana Muvia wake Nuukwatiania na Uungamii wa Kinandu cha Uiti cha Kuikithya Athukumi Uima wa Mwii NimaekaKunyamaaika Kukwata Uiti Ungu wa Kinandu one Itina wa Kutilwa Ilovia haineni ya kaunti ya Mombasa iko manoni ya Athukumi Uiti Duale Niwaweta kana NimaekaKunyamaaika na ene yanda kifadhukanyo kuikithya kana maundu Uiti nimavikia na Nukwailya Angelina Moseni mwandiki mavoku makaunti ya Mombasa.
Ainene ava kauntini ya Mombasa kavindani kala utuve komano ya KMPD Minista Muviani wa Uiti Aden Duale Niwaweta kana Muvia nukuikia malonye mwanya kuikithya Athukumi Uiti mena Nyamaeka kukwata Uiti kwisila Kinandu cha Uiti cha.
We are also aware of the challenges the healthcare workers face when accessing care under the Social Health Authority. It is inconceivable that those who deliver care cannot themselves access quality care. And I repeat it is immoral, unacceptable that those who deliver care cannot themselves access quality care. I am working closely with the Social Health Authority, with their chairman is here, the Digital Health Agency, the institution that locks you out. By the way, it's not even SHA that locks you out. It is the system, it's the super digital highway that locks you out.
No watakana nimakufikia kukwatiana na ene yanda kivadhukanyo kuikithya kana nimathinikia vata ukumetana Athukumi Uiti.
And today I'm happy that one of the governors who believe in the implementation of the UHC is sitting here. And I will endorse, and I will take his proposal to the Council of Governors that the SHA contribution for not only healthcare workers, but for all civil servants, both at the national and at the county level, be deducted at source.
Are there counties, I'm glad Mombasa is not one of them, but are there others who the cutoff is done because people have not remitted? Yes. Maybe a conversation we might want to take on that is statutory deductions, which are compulsory that we have to pay, should be deducted from Treasury before the money reaches us. Now, it does not mean that the whole wage bill gets deducted. And I want to explain, in the words of the PS, why you have to come up with solutions that are going to be practical.
Kavindani kungwatanyo ya KMPD yuni ya kuli Muvia uwa Uiti kulikilila kate nikana kuthinikia mafuta mo undu vailete nikana kuungamia mikomo ya kila evinda.
So we are asking that from this engagement today, that the delegates have listened, the delegates have been here, that can we forge a partnership that will ensure that the many strikes that happen in the counties comes to an end. Because of today, NEC declared and approved strikes in 18 counties that I was to mention today. But because I have to honor your presence, and I have to honor the presence of the governor, we will postpone releasing the strike messages with 2 weeks. But we ask you that the strike of Kiambu that is to commence soon, Governor, and CS may intervene.
Ngilivote ya vilingi wa Movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.